Axie limitlessness value sort of equivalent to $8.2220 a coin in an especially significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 8.1042 to 8.6280, which truly is very critical. The earlier day close, 8.5000, which by and large is very huge. The change sort of was 0.2780, 3.27%. Reverse rate, USD to Axie in a very significant way. Axie boundlessness value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $8.77, especially greatest 9.38, really least 8.16 in an unpretentious way. Axie endlessness figure on Monday. April 3, cost $9.00, really greatest 9.63, least 8.37 in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday. April 4, cost $8.58, essentially greatest 9.18, especially least 7.98, which generally is genuinely critical. Axie vastness gauge on Wednesday. April 5, cost $8.72, in every practical sense, most extreme 9.33, really least 8.11. In multi-week Axie endlessness cost forecast on Thursday. April 6, cost $8.68, kind of greatest 9.29, really least 8.07 in a quite large way. Axie boundlessness gauge on Friday. April 7, cost $8.31, most extreme 8.89, essentially least 7.73, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how today, S exchange cost range, 8.1042 to 8.6280 and in every way that really matters, huge way. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Monday. April 10, cost $8.65, by and large greatest 9.26, especially least 8.04, showing how the earlier day close, 8.5000, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie endlessness figure on Tuesday. April 11, cost $8.15, lovely most extreme 8.72, certainly least 7.58 in an unobtrusive way. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday. April 12, cost $8.38, especially most extreme 8.97, exceptionally least 7.79, which sort of is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Axie limitlessness figure on Thursday. April 13, cost $7.94, kind of greatest 8.50, truly least 7.38, or so they truly thought. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday. April 14, cost $8.29, truly greatest 8.87, certainly least 7.71 in a genuinely enormous way. Axie vastness figure on Monday. April 17, cost $8.12, genuinely most extreme 8.69, kind of least 7.55 in an especially significant manner. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday. April 18, cost $9.03, greatest 9.66 in every practical sense, least 8.40, showing how Axie boundlessness cost exceptionally equivalent to $8.2220 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Axie boundlessness gauge on Wednesday. April 19, cost $9.23, exceptionally greatest 9.88, sort of least 8.58. In 3 weeks Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday. April 20, cost $8.39, sort of greatest 8.98, by and large least 7.80, which in every practical sense shows that Axie endlessness cost forecast on Friday. April 14, cost $8.29, especially most extreme 8.87, exceptionally least 7.71 in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness estimate on Friday. April 21, cost $8.67, especially greatest 9.28, extremely least 8.06 in a sort of enormous manner. Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday. April 24, cost $9.13, truly greatest 9.77, for the most part least 8.49 in an exceptionally significant manner. Axie boundlessness estimate on Tuesday. April 25, cost $9.91, greatest 10.60, exceptionally least 9.22 in an unobtrusive way. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday. April 26, cost $9.64, all things considered, greatest 10.31, essentially least 8.97, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In about a month Axie endlessness conjecture on Thursday. April 27, cost $9.91, genuinely most extreme 10.60, least 9.22 in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Friday. April 28, cost $9.19. Fundamentally most extreme 9.83, truly least 8.55. Axie boundlessness gauge on Monday, May 1, cost $8.40. Truly most extreme 8.99, by and large least 7.81, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to Axie conversion standard most certainly equivalent to 0.1216 coins per $1. Today, S reach 0.1159 minus 0.1234 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby 0.1176 in a by and large huge way. Change for now plus 0.0040, plus 3.40%, which especially is very huge. USD to Axie cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Axie boundlessness estimate on Friday. Walk 31, cost 0.114 coins. Beautiful most extreme 0.123, least 0.107. Especially further appearance how Axie limitlessness conjecture on Wednesday. April 19, cost $9.23, kind of greatest 9.88, by and large least 8.58, or so they explicitly thought. USD to Axie expectation on Monday, April 3, cost 0.111 coins, by and large greatest 0.119, extremely least 0.104. Dollar to Axie boundlessness estimate on Tuesday, April 4, cost 0.117 coins, really greatest 0.125, least 0.109, which most certainly is genuinely huge. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost 0.115 coins, especially greatest 0.123 in every practical sense, least 0.107 amazingly. In multi-week dollar to Axie endlessness conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.115 coins, really greatest 0.124, especially least 0.108, or so they sort of thought. USD to Axie expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 0.120 coins, especially most extreme 0.129 in every practical sense, least 0.112, which all things considered, is very critical. Dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Monday, April 10, cost 0.116 coins, truly most extreme 0.124, lovely least 0.108, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. USD to Axie forecast on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.123 coins, sort of greatest 0.132, by and large least 0.115 in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Axie boundlessness figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.119 coins, greatest 0.128, certainly least 0.111, which generally is genuinely huge. In about 14 days USD to Axie expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.126 coins, sort of greatest 0.136, especially least 0.118. Showing how USD to Axie forecast on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.123 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.132, certainly least 0.115, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dollar to Axie vastness gauge on Friday, April 14,